Hey everyone, wanted to do a review of surveyjunkie.com. There's a lot of survey sites out there. Some are good, some are not. Survey Junkie was one that popped up a few times when I was doing my research, and people seemed to like it. So I thought I would give them a try. And as it turns out, it's actually not bad at all. They're very easy to join, very easy to set up, and easy to get going right away. Plus, you get some points as soon as you join. I don't remember exactly what the number was that I got, but instant points just for joining them. And then they have profile surveys for you to complete. Some of them are worth 10 points, and some are worth, I believe it was 5 points. And then it goes down, I think, to 2. But the purpose is so that they can give you surveys that are more fitting to you, so you'll qualify more for those surveys. But you get points just for completing the profile survey. So totally worth doing to help build up the money you can make. Now, the point system is all based on your country's currency. So let's say you complete a survey for 5 points. In the US, that means 5 cents. So each country will be different for however they value that. To complete a survey, it's very simple. It shows up on your front page as soon as you log in. There's a whole list of surveys. You click Start Survey, and then you go to work. When the survey's done, it'll send you back to Survey Junkie. A big pop-up comes up, and then credits you for taking that survey. So it's actually very easy to do. If you don't qualify for a survey, which you have to understand is going to happen, may happen a lot, because one, surveys fill up fast. All of the users at Survey Junkie are taking surveys at the same time you are. And so if that survey fills up and they've got enough people, then they don't need more. They have to shut it down. And I'm guessing they do that by having a budget. They have the amount of money they can spend on how many people take it, and once you reach that threshold, the survey closes. So if you happen to sign into that survey or miss it before that time frame, and then it fills up while you're taking it, you may get disqualified. Sometimes you may not fit the demographics. They'll ask you questions, screening questions at the beginning to see if you fit their demographics. So if you don't, you will not qualify, and the survey closes. But here's what's cool. With Survey Junkie, you still earn 2 to 3 points every time you disqualify. Now, I've had good days and I've had bad days. On a bad day, I'll keep trying for survey after survey after survey and fail every one of them and get disqualified. Meanwhile, I'm earning 3 cents, 3 cents, 3 cents, 2 cents, 3 cents, 2 cents. So even though I'm not getting the survey, I'm still building up money. And in that case, because I didn't qualify for all of them, that's actually really good money for the amount of time that I spent, which was very little. So that's a great benefit. Now, when it comes to the surveys that you do, they typically put the best ones that they consider on top, the ones that they feel are more qualified for you and that you'll probably get. But when it comes to a website like Survey Junkie, you have to decide why you should do this. What's your purpose? Are you doing this to make big money? Because if that's the case, you're not going to make big money. You're just not. Hey, are you looking to make extra money? Are you bored? Maybe every day you have some time where you just have nothing to do. Or maybe you're waiting for your ride to come. You're going somewhere and you're waiting for your ride to come. So why not just do a survey and make some money? You're bored? Yeah, make some money. Go listen to some music while answering surveys. What about having a purpose like, maybe you're an entrepreneur and you have a product or a website you got to promote and you got to do paid advertising. Well, complete some surveys and raise money for your advertising capital. Maybe you have a couple of small bills a month, a $10 bill here, a $20 bill there. Well, complete surveys to cover those bills. You should have an absolute purpose. I chose 2 different reasons for me to do this. And I'm sticking to those reasons. They're actually goals. The first goal was to raise money for Christmas, to be able to buy my family Christmas presents, and do it by completing surveys. So I'm already getting close to completing my goal. My second goal is advertising money. I need to have an advertising budget. And then once I get going and my paid advertising is paying off and I'm making sales with my products, then I'm going to stop and not do surveys anymore. So that's my goal. That's my purpose. I say this because you could lose your head with the amount of time that you could spend doing surveys and not make a lot of money. You could go spend 2 hours and make 10 cents. You have to be really smart about this. And I'm going to show you more about this when we actually go to the website. I'm going to show you the visual of how the site is and then show you how it works and the potential of how much money you could make for the amount of time it's going to take you. So this all comes down to you, what you decide and what's best for you. I personally have chosen to dedicate about 2 hours a day. I typically do it in the evening, before dinner, spend 2 hours doing it, sometimes at night, late at night. Sometimes if I'll do it before dinner and then I feel like, you know what, I'm going to add an extra hour. And I'll do that. But I set goals. I will not do a survey that's 50 minutes long but only pays 25 cents. I won't do it. It's not worth it. So you do the math and you decide what's best for you. But let's now go to Survey Junkie and let me show you how the whole thing works. All right, here we are at surveyjunkie.com. So I just signed in. I'm already signed up. It's very easy to do. I don't really even need to show you how to do that. Sometimes I wonder why in these tutorial videos people even need to see how you sign up. If it's a complicated process, I get it. This isn't. It's very easy to do. So you come into Survey Junkie. Now, I see right now 155 points for 30 minutes. So before I even go into the features here, this is something great to bring up. You have to value time versus money when you do this. So I look at 155. What that actually means, 155 points, means $1.55. So if you look over here to the left, I have 2,479 points, which actually equals $24.79. So if I was to complete this survey, I would be at $26 and something. So that would be great. However, I gauge the time. I look at the fact that this is 155 points, and it's going to take me 30 minutes to do. Yet, I come over here to some of these other surveys, like 35 points for 8 minutes, 55 points for 16 minutes, or 70 points for 18. And I look at that, here's another 70 for 8 minutes. So what I do is, I really would rather get all of those surveys done in 30 minutes, where I could actually make more money than go spend 30 minutes doing a survey that's going to be 155 points. You have to look at it that way. Before I recorded this particular video, I was going through the account, and there was one for 255 points for 20 minutes of work. That's worth it. That's absolutely worth it. So I could still do maybe another survey or two within 30 minutes and actually make possible $3 to $4. So that's not bad. If you're bored and you're not doing anything, and you don't, maybe you thought about playing a video game, but you're like, you know what? I'd rather make some money. You come here, you complete some surveys, you make some money. And as I told you before earlier, you should have a purpose to this. Why do you want to do this? So I already have, $24.79. I've made this in the past about 2.5 weeks now. I've been doing this with Survey Junkie. So this money here could be used for advertising. Now, once I get my advertising going and I start bringing in sales, I don't do this anymore. Also, my first goal is to raise Christmas money. And between this site and another one that I do called Inbox Dollars, I've actually raised a nice chunk of what I need for buying gifts for my family. So this is great. It really does matter, time versus money. Now, all the surveys will appear right here This is everything. It refreshes often. You can even refresh your page because these fill up quick, and once they fill up, then you no longer qualify for it. When it comes time to redeem your money, the button's right here on the left. So you just click redeem, follow the instructions, get paid. Very easy to do. Now, when you first join Survey Junkie, you're going to have a series of profile surveys to do. And for each one that you complete, it's another 10 points, which means 10 cents. So I recommend you complete all of them. It helps them identify which surveys are good matches for you. As you can see here, good match, good match. So these good matches are all based on those surveys. Now, when I first joined, I think I completed the first one and then didn't finish the others. So they would line up here on the left and you would see which ones that you completed. And I believe it was also in my back office as well here. But in any case, get them all completed. You get 10 points for each one. Do them all. Be done with it. And now you also get to build up your money. As far as redemption, I don't know exactly what it is normally, but when I joined up a couple weeks ago, they were claiming they were doing a promotion where you can redeem after $5. And they gave you, I think, 7 days to reach that goal, which I reached that goal within a day or two. So at that point, I can then redeem this and get the money. So I've chosen not to do that, to let it sit here, but it's all ready to go because I reached that threshold. Survey Junkie is very easy to do. You click on the button here and just follow the steps. It's very easy. Okay, see, it just refreshed now. You can see the 155 is gone. So that means that it filled up fast and it's no longer available. So when you see something like that come up, if that entices you and you want to do that, you need to jump on it. And here's what's really cool about Survey Junkie. Let's say that I take this survey and I complete it. And usually the 8-minute, 5-minute surveys I qualify for, they're usually just a few questions, very simple. And so you get 35 points. Then you quickly jump over here to this survey where it takes you 16 minutes to get 35 points. And then you get disqualified. Well, Survey Junkie will pay you 2 to 3 cents even if you get disqualified. So let's say you get disqualified within a matter of minutes. So really you'll make more than $35. 35 cents. You make that 35 cents plus 2 to 3 cents just for disqualifying. Now, on many days, I will disqualify on most of them. So I will start the survey and it says you don't qualify, or this survey has filled out too much, or you don't meet the demographic, or etc. And then I will get those points. So this money could build up just doing that. And it builds up fast. It's actually a great benefit. So that way you don't lose. It is all winning. It doesn't cost you anything to join them, so you didn't have to spend money to do this. You're just making money. So this is great money. The only thing you're spending is your time. Okay, so I'm back here in my back office here, and I just wanted to show you more of an overview of the points and how you can cash out. So 2,479 points equals in US dollars. So that's how they do it. No matter what country you're in, you're going to get points. And then those points are going to equal whatever the currency is. So in the US, 2,479 points equals $24.79. And then it says, how would you like to redeem? So you could get a gift card, an e-gift card, but obviously it's disabled. I wouldn't want that anyways. I would want to do PayPal. But you could also transfer it directly to your bank account. Okay, so I found actually the surveys that I completed when I joined. They're actually in your account, in your back office here. So if I clicked on Hi Mike, they're in there. But these are them. General profile, technology profile, etc. So these are profile surveys that you complete, and you get 10 points for each one. So we have 5, we had 7. So that's 70 cents that you will get for completing all of these. Actually, I think a few were maybe less than that, maybe 5 cents. because I don't think they had a lot of questions. But in either case, this is more points that you can earn right here. So that's it. By the way, I do have a link to Survey Junkie for you to go through. I should let you know that it's not an affiliate link. That is one of the unfortunate things about Survey Junkie is there's no affiliate link. So you can't promote it once you sign up. You can still go let people know about it, but there's no incentive to doing that. So anyways, know that when you do sign up, it is not an affiliate link of mine. There is no affiliate link here. Maybe it's something they'll do in the future. I went through my account. I see nothing about it. Unless I'm missing something, I just don't see it. So that'll do it for us. That's surveyjunkie.com. We'll talk again. So that's Survey Junkie. You can absolutely sign up to them through the link in my description. I should let you know it's not an affiliate link as of this recording. Survey Junkie doesn't have an affiliate program. As far as I know, I don't see anything in my account. Maybe I have to reach a certain point to actually get it. Maybe you have to earn it. I don't know. So right now, as far as the recording of this video on this day of November 12th, 2019, I don't have an affiliate link with them. So when you go to that link, you're just going right to their website. But in the future, if suddenly they offer me an affiliate link, I may replace that link below with an affiliate link and therefore receive whatever the incentive is. So I just wanted you to know that. And then at that point in time, when you sign up and you earn an affiliate link, you should absolutely take advantage of that and send it to people. All right, that's it for today. I hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel. I don't make a lot of videos that often here, but when I do, it's typically something that I feel can help you and help you make money online. I'm always looking for ways and trying different things out. So whatever I find works or doesn't work, I'll try to tell you about it. So subscribe, go to Survey Junkie, and have fun. We'll see you next time.